Doge is testing a major resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We have been absolutely killing it in Telegram, guys. We made an insane 90% this week. So if you guys still haven't joined, make sure to do so. There is a ton of insight with market conditions as well as my trades in Telegram. Link is in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Doge yesterday, we ended up testing our beautiful take profit level down here at 0.08. We saw a beautiful bearish engulfing candle break below our midterm support level, and we saw multiple wicks at this level. Of course, looking at for our RSI, we were in extreme oversold conditions, and for those of you in the Telegram, you guys actually saw that amazing trade opportunity where we managed to short this position for a beautiful 15%. So congratulations to those of you that took the trade. Now, as of right now, what I'm looking for on Doge, of course, is the fact that we are retesting our exponential moving averages as resistance. I'm going to be paying very close attention to this range right here at 0.084. I talked about it in yesterday's video as well, that if we end up retesting this level as resistance, that's going to be our confirmation to enter a shorting position on Doge, possibly riding it back down to 0.075. Now, zooming out on the chart here, you guys already know the 0.075 level has been tested multiple times, and we have ended up breaking below that level. I'm going to be paying very close attention to seeing what happens if we retest that level opportunity once again. As you guys already know, I've mentioned to you multiple times that if we do end up breaking below this level, I'm going to become extremely bearish because of the fact that we have re-entered this zone multiple times already, as well as the fact that our daily support levels are becoming closer and closer. Now, zooming out on the chart here, I want to talk about a few things. Number one, of course, the fact that we are still in a larger consolidation zone on Doge overall. The question, of course, becomes that is this large consolidation zone going to create something called an inverse bar formation, which could look something like this? But of course, we have to keep in mind that right now, looking at the 4-hour time frame, we are trading below our exponential moving averages. The difference from the last pump opportunity that we saw on Doge was the fact that you can see we started to use our exponential moving averages as support as we laddered our way upwards. As of right now, though, we've been pretty much in this massive downtrend opportunity. Using Doge as resistance with our exponential moving averages isn't something we really want to counter trade. When we are trading below our EMAs, ideally what you want to look for, of course, is shorting positions, and you can see that we had a very clean rejection on the 0.088 level, which of course was a major resistance. We saw that liquidity grab, which I did warn about you guys, of course, when we retested that level, that this is looking like a very nice manipulation. Ended up breaking below that support level, and right now we are consolidating at a very crucial support. Any clean break below 0.08, and ladies and gentlemen, things are not going to look Doge for overall. Ideally, what I want to see, of course, is even on the hourly time frame, we actually managed to take a very nice scalping opportunity, breaking above our exponential moving averages today. But I'm waiting for to see is, of course, on the hourly, what happens when Doge retests this level here at 0.084. Even on the hourly, although we are trading above our exponential moving averages, we have to keep in mind, of course, the fact that we are trading on weekend volume, as well as the fact that you can see in terms of RSI, we are in extreme overbought conditions, so we have to be very careful here. Any clean break below this level, of course, at 0.08 is our confirmation to continue looking for that shorting position. But usually when you have a downtrend market, it doesn't just go straight towards the downside. I've mentioned this to you guys many times that usually what happens is when you are retesting major resistance levels like the exponential moving averages, we tend to have nice pullback opportunities, grab that liquidity, and then a stronger continuation to the downside. We've been pretty much in this range for quite a while now on the hourly, so this is why I've mentioned to you guys many times to pay very close attention to seeing how this level plays out. I'm going to be looking for these shorting positions, of course, tomorrow morning once we end up getting some more volume in the market. The problem problem is entering any sort of position right now is the fact that we are trading off liquidity and we don't see that volume coming right now. If we do end up taking a trade and it goes sideways or of course against us, we have the risk of obviously getting absolutely wrecked because of the fact that with weekend volume, we tend to see multiple manipulation candlesticks as well. I'm going to be paying very close attention from a bullish case scenario. If we somehow get above 0.088, use it as support and then a continuation, that would be the only time I would be looking for a buy opportunity on Doge. You can see even on the daily time frame, I talked about this multiple times, but the fact that we had such a large bearish engulfing candle break below our exponential moving averages immediately after we retested that same level as resistance, and now we are ending up in that same free fall opportunity. Be very careful, guys, and always remember to zoom out of your charts when you are looking for buy opportunities, because right now Doge is not in that area, personally speaking, to be looking for those buys. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have fun.